Stay tuned to see how I prep my hair for protective styling and also a quick tutorial on how I do my crochet passion twist. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I prep my hair for protective styling using some products that were gifted to me from Jamaican Mango and Lime. This is from the Braids Your Way collection. So let's get right into it. So I've already pre-sectioned my hair and I'm going to be starting out with the Extra Hold and Easy Braid Gel. This braid gel has flexible hold, less frizz, no flakes or whitening. It's made island fresh with sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E, and it smells amazing. So I'm just going to be adding that braid gel on the perimeter of this section and then going in with my edge brush just to make sure that I get it all the way in there. Now that the section is nice and smooth, I'm going to be adding my rubber band, which I did soak in some oil just to prevent any snagging or pulling out of my hair. Next up, I'm going to be going in with the Camille Rose Grow Grease. I absolutely love this grease. I've already added it to my part, so now I'm just going to go in and add the Grow Grease to the length of my hair, just for some added moisture. Then I'm going to just twist this section up and move on to the next section. And I'll just repeat these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So for styling, I am doing some passion twists and I'm working in medium sections. I am using the crochet method, so I'm just applying the crochet hook underneath the section and then applying the passion twist hair on the hook, closing the latch and pulling one piece of the passion twist hair through. Once I have the sections even out, then I'm just going to go in with some more of that braid gel just to help my hair blend in with the passion twist hair. And this is the Toyotress Tiana passion twist hair. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box. Now I'm just going to take my hair and split it in two, one piece for each piece of the passion twist hair, and then I'm just going to begin twisting. So first I twist the hair and then twist it around each other, twist the hair and then twist it around each other, twist the hair and then twist it around each other, and I'll give you a close-up so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So again, I'm twisting the hair and then twisting it around each other, twisting the hair and then twisting it around each other. And I'm just going to continue these same steps all the way down to the end of the hair and then coil the ends around my finger. So now I'm going in with the Jamaican mango and lime braiding and setting moves just to tame any flyaways. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.